just had to let you know you're. Akala nyo ba kapangyarihan ay nasa inyo? Sino ba kayo? Di naman kami nagkulang sa aming pag-uusap.
Krista, give me your money.
Why? I need it for food. If you don't give this to us, we will make trouble for you. Please, I need it for food.
We don't care. Just give it now.
Give me your iPhone too.
Did you see that?
Yes, of course. They force her to give money.
That is extortion. It is wrong.
Krista, what happened? You look scared. John and Israel forced me to give them a lunch money. That's not right. You should not stay silent.
We saw everything.
Yes.
Extortion is a form of intentional injury.
It causes fear and harm to other students. If we ignore it, they might do it again to another younger student. We should report it to school authorities. Yes, we must protect each other and promote non-violence. John and Cyril, what you did is wrong. Taking money by threatening someone is extortion.
It hurts students and creates fear in school.
Our school should be a safe place. We didn't realize it was that serious.
We will stop doing it.
No student should be forced or threatened. If you see extortion, report it.
Don't be afraid to speak up.
Promote respect and kindness. Prevent intentional injuries by choosing non-violence. Extortion is an intentional injury because it causes fear and harm. Yes, forcing someone to give money is a form of bullying. It can make younger students feel unsafe in school.
That's why we must stop it before it happens again.
I was afraid before, but now I should speak up. Students should respect each other and never threaten others. If someone is being bullied or extorted, report it immediately. We should help younger students feel safe. Being a responsible student means protecting others.
Silence can make the problem worse.
We must stand together against violence.
Report bullying and extortion.
Extortion is a serious problem in schools. It is an intentional injury that harms students emotionally. Support victims and show kindness. No student deserves to be threatened. Choose respect. Choose responsibility.